with an aim to revolutionize the water treatment process in India and to promote and educate people about the importance of alkaline water that is infused with hydrogen and minerals. BioPlus, an extension to biotech industries, was founded. With consistent and thorough research and the unmatched efforts of a highly skilled and resourceful team, BioPlus has been constantly evolving and introducing new products to its varied portfolio. Pioneers in the water treatment industry, BioPlus introduces the BioPlus washing ball, a simple yet effective washing solution. The BioPlus washing ball is to be used while washing clothes in the washing machine. The powerful far infrared rays from the washing ball break water molecules' hydrogen combinations into small clusters and activate the water, which results in increased molecular motions and penetration force of the detergent powder and helps remove oil stains and dirt from clothes. As a result, using this magic washing ball, you will need only half the amount of detergent. One BioPlus washing ball can be used for a washing machine load of up to 6 to 7 kgs. It is cost-effective as well as eco-friendly.
So what are you waiting for? Make the smart choice and get your hands on the BioPlus washing ball for a safe, environment-friendly and economical washing experience.